Hello and welcome to my channel. As you can see, it's snowing already outside today, and you might be thinking to yourself, well, this must be the end of planting season. But the reality is that the coming of snow doesn't have to mean the end of planting season for you. If you're like me and you feel like you can't live without plants, you can continue to grow something indoors, and you can even get, harvests on whatever it is that you grow indoors. And I'm going to show you, I'm doing something like this. As you can see, I have a bit of space indoors, and I have good sunlight from this window, and I'm growing things like peppers. I have some stevia here. I have bitter leaf. I have ugu. So you can do whatever experiment you want with plants as long as you have this space. But today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily preserve your favorite pepper varieties from the cold. So let's say you don't want the winter to kill them. I'm going to show you what you can do to preserve them from the cold, or to multiply the pepper plants you have so that you can have more than one plant. This pepper is actually fruiting. Can you see the pepper fruit? So you don't even need bees indoors to pollinate your plants. So to preserve a pepper plant that you love from the snow, or maybe you want to multiply your pepper plants, all you need to do is to trim the pepper, cut a piece of the stem that is kind of thick at a 45-degree angle. So this is an indoor pepper plant, and I'm just trimming it. I'm going to show you how I multiply my pepper plants, and you can do this, as I mentioned, with your plants that are outside. So once you've trimmed your peppers to the length that you want the stem to be, you can go ahead and pluck the leaves off the stem. But make sure to remain 1 or 2 leaves so that your pepper can still get some sunlight. Photosynthesis can continue to go on. Then go ahead and fill some water in a cup and put the stems in there. So this way they remain alive, and the leaves continue to get sunlight to keep them alive. And then after some weeks, they are going to develop roots, as you can see. And when the roots are strong enough, like these ones, you can go ahead and transplant them in fresh soil so that you can bring them indoors. Make sure to use fresh soil, fresh triple mix soil, so that you're not bringing in bugs into your house if you are carrying a full pot of pepper that has been growing outside indoors. And there you go, 2 pepper plants. So you can trim as many stems as you want and put them in water, and you can have more than 2, 3, 4, 5 pepper plants. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.